Howdy-ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again. It's been a while, but I've got an update on the Redneck repair of the Walmart laundry basket. If you guys have seen that video, there's a link to it in the description. But if you do that, if you do repair, that laundry basket to make it last a lot longer, you're going to end up with a different problem, and we're going to solve that one today. Well, here we have our handy-dandy Walmart laundry basket. And if you watch the other video, you've seen the handles that I replaced because these handles seem to crack and break off fairly soon after you get one of these. Well, not soon, but way sooner than they should. But once you repair those, these laundry baskets end up taking a beating, and you end up with some other problems. Something I did on this, which is not the point here, but it started cracking on the side, and I just ended up putting another piece of PVC pipe in there, just like the handle to strengthen it. But that's not the issue I wanted to show you. What I did want to show you was that they start cracking on the corners. I'm going to show you a pretty easy fix to stop the crack from growing, and I actually should have started doing that a little bit sooner on this one. But all you need to do, get a drill and get to the end of the crack. Oh my gosh, this is growing everywhere. Find the very end of the crack and drill. Drill a hole in it. It's kind of awkward doing this and filming, but that's always the case. Where's that end? There it is. Nope, that wasn't it. There we go. Well, sort of. Anyway, you get the idea. The idea is once you have a hole there, you've got basically, geez. When you put the hole at the end of the crack, it makes it really wide here. When you've got a crack, it's a sharp point, and that sharp point will make that crack keep growing and growing and growing. And you can do this on any material. As a matter of fact, it's an engineering thing. On aircraft, if they discover a crack, they're always inspecting them. If they see a crack starting someplace, they can drill a hole at the end of it, and it'll stop the crack from propagating. So anyway, that's just another, I guess it's a semi-redneck repair using a high-tech engineering type procedure to fix a plastic laundry basket. Anyway, hope it helps you guys. God bless y'all. See you next time.